Hi guys, in this video I will be replacing the NFC card reader and finger throttle on my Vsett 10 Plus. As you can see, there's play to it. It is cracked along here and I had to super glue it. I just received the new NFC throttle today from RevRides. Came with 3 new NFC cards, which are basically keys to turn your scooter on. Should be a pretty simple job. Everything on this scooter is plug and play. Let's get started removing the old one. We actually have to remove this hand grip first. Slide it out, take this brake out of the way to be able to slide out the old NFC reader. We actually don't have to loosen up the handlebars, slide them one way, slide them the other. No, I basically just unraveled the protective cover here for the wires and the tape, which give the wires more play and will actually allow this to clear the handlebar without removing the turn signal wire. I actually put some shoe goo there. Let's start by removing the hand grip ends, the bar ends. These will slip right out. Actually put some shoe goo in here to kind of glue the grip to the bar. There it goes. You can see that goo in here. This grip should slide right out with just enough to clear the bar. There you go. We can set that aside. We can just remove these 2 screws. We don't actually have to slide it. We can just leave this brake here hanging. And we can unplug the old NFC reader. And actually we could just slide it right off. You can see it cracked. And we can slide the new one in its place. Plug it in. I can actually tighten everything up once everything is back on. So we can actually go ahead and put our brake back on. Slide the grip back on. Actually, we'll clean this up and add some new shoe glue here. Holds pretty good. Okay, I put some shoe glue on this grip. It'll take about 24 hours to dry. After you do that, after you plug in your NFC reader, you can put everything back together, tighten everything back up, adjust it first in the position you want your throttle and your brake. Let's just give this a try. It goes on, it's asking for the card. It's the new card, boom. Odometer is at 0. Kilometers, I'll change that to miles. Let's check the throttle. That's just the back motor, dual motor. Let's check the front. Everything seems to be working. Gear 2, gear 3. And that's how you replace your NFC throttle on the Vsett 10 Plus. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.